My name is Jennifer. My last name is Hitzkes. I work as a clothing stylist. I've been doing this for so long, and my friends are always asking me, can I wear this trend? My philosophy is be sure that you're wearing something that you feel amazing in. I love cardigans. I love pencil skirts. Boat shoes are fun. You can have every color under the sun. You can use your classics and kind of go with them and mix them in with any outfit that you've got. My happiest mornings are when I put my boat shoes on. I have blue, I have pink, I have a white pair, I have the two-tone color nautical style, I've got the fawn gray, and of course I have your go-to, your classic brown. I love Timberland boat shoes.